Many learners today want to start a career as a data analyst, but feel confused about where to begin. They try learning spreadsheets from one place, SQL from another source, and visualization tools somewhere else, yet they still do not understand how analysts actually solve real business problems using data. If you are looking for a structured entry path into analytics, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera is designed to guide beginners step by step into practical data analysis workflows used in real organizations. This certificate focuses on building foundational analytics skills using tools that entry-level analysts commonly apply in workplace environments. Inside the program, learners work with spreadsheets for organizing data, SQL for querying structured databases, Tableau for visualization, and the R programming language for analysis and reporting tasks. Instead of teaching tools separately, the certificate explains how analysts approach problems from start to finish. Learners practice asking business questions, cleaning data sets, analyzing patterns, building dashboards, and presenting insights clearly to stakeholders. These activities reflect real responsibilities seen in operations teams, marketing analytics groups, finance reporting environments, and customer experience analysis roles. Skill learners developed in this program include preparing and cleaning data sets, writing SQL queries for structure analysis, building dashboards using Tableau, analyzing data sets using spreadsheets, and R, communicating insights through structured reports. This certificate is especially suitable for beginners planning to enter analytics roles, students exploring data-related careers, professionals currently working mostly with spreadsheets who want to transition into structured people, analytics workflows, and career changers moving toward data-driven decision support roles. However, this course may not be ideal for learners who already have strong experience with SQL and analytics platforms, or those specifically looking for advanced machine learning or deep technical data science specialization. In terms of career impact, the program supports entry-level analytics responsibilities involving reporting, dashboard preparation, dataset cleaning, and structured business insights generation, while salaries vary depending on region and experience level. Structured analytics skills such as SQL, querying, and visualization typically improve job readiness compared to spreadsheet-only reporting roles. The certificate is designed at a beginner level and does not require prior programming experience. Most learners complete the program in about 6 months with approximately 10 hours of study per week, which makes it manageable alongside academic or professional commitments. Following a structured professional certificate like this usually builds stronger understanding than learning analytics tools separately from scattered tutorials across multiple platforms. This program focuses specifically on entry-level data analytics workflows and reporting skills rather than broader data science or machine learning pathways, which helps learners clearly position their expectations before starting. After completing this certificate, learners commonly move toward roles such as typical career pathways supported, data analyst, junior analytics associate, reporting analyst, business intelligence support specialist. This certificate is especially useful for learners who want a guided starting point into practical patient analytics work using commonly adopted industry tools. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.